This is the XQ-58A Valkyrie. It costs less than the spare parts budget for a single fighter jet, and the Air Force is fine with losing it in combat on purpose. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is an unmanned combat drone built by Kratos in partnership with the Air Force Research Laboratory and DARPA. First flown in 2019, its mission is unlike almost anything else flying today. Act as a loyal wingman, flying alongside crewed fighters like the F-22 and F-35 to extend their reach and firepower without risking a pilot's life. Here's why this idea is spreading fast. Modern fighter jets cost over $100 million each, and losing one usually means losing a highly trained pilot too. The Valkyrie flips that equation. Cheap enough to be expendable, sent into the most dangerous part of a mission first, so a manned aircraft never has to be. Its design reflects that purpose. The Valkyrie doesn't need a runway. It launches using a rocket booster and can recover by parachute, cutting out the need for expensive air bases. It carries an internal weapons bay, external sensor pylons, and enough range to fly alongside a fighter for thousands of miles, all guided by an AI autonomy system called Skyborg. This changes the math of air warfare entirely. If losing a drone costs almost nothing, commanders can take risks they never could with a manned aircraft. That single shift could let America contest more dangerous airspace more often, without paying the political cost of losing pilots. The Valkyrie itself won't be the final version of this idea. It's already informed a much bigger program, collaborative combat aircraft, where production drones are now being built to fly alongside the Air Force's next fighters. The age of the solo fighter pilot may be ending. The XQ-58A Valkyrie isn't trying to replace the fighter pilot. It's trying to make sure that pilot never has to fly into the most dangerous part of the sky alone again.